Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll, we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update and then tap on Software Update at the top. Now your device is checking for the updates, and basically we can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.